Hi everyone, it's Snell here. So I do a table of contents for my students in each folder, so that way they can get stay organized, because it's very easy to get unorganized in OneNote, at least for myself. So I give my students a blank screen like this, or a blank page like this. It has the date. Another column has a title with link. Major concepts of this topic are, I'm most confident about, and I'm still confused about. I really like this because I can go into each student's folder, which is a pain to have to do, but I can read this column about what I'm still confused about, and then be able to really fully understand like where their mind's at. It does take a lot on the student to think metacognitively of like what do I know and what do I not know. I'm going to scroll down, and this is actually an example of what one of my students did. So they were able to write down the date we did something, the title of that worksheet, and then I had them create a link to that worksheet, and I can show you how to do that as well. The major concepts, again, I'm most confident about, and I'm still confused about. So I can go back and say, oh, Flipgrid might be an issue, so let me go ahead and show them how to do that again. So I have this in every unit. Or rather, I will have this in every unit. So right now I'm starting out in Unit 0, How to Science, and I'm creating a new page down here. I know different teachers work differently in terms of like what they label their sections as. I label mine per unit, and I do the same thing for the students as well, just so that way I know, like, I can kind of keep track of it. So up here in this line, sorry, I'm continuing to go on, this is our title, and you can see that the title changes right here as well. So this might be the table of contents, and let's say I want to call it table of contents for Unit 0, How to Science. Then in here, I'm just going to click anywhere in the white space, click Insert, Table, and so I know I need one for the date, the title, the concepts. I am best, like what I know most, or what I'm confident about, and what I need more help with. And then I will just come down, add a few more tables there. And these tables can definitely expand, be a little bit bigger, but I'm going to put in the titles for the students. So the date, the title with the link, major concepts are, what I'm most confident about, and what I'm still confused about. So you can see that the tables themselves do change size. You can adjust. If you were to use OneNote, the app, as opposed to here in Teams, you can definitely adjust this a lot more. But sticking with Teams, which I think is safer for a lot of people, we just kind of live with it. So I made sure that these were a certain color. So at least when I'm looking at it, it makes a little bit more sense. So the shading, I might make it this color. What I'm most confident about, I think that's like a green light. Like, yes, I'm good to go. Versus what I'm still confused about, that is a red light. So I change it to this. In here, I put little bullet points for my students. So I will just click right here. And then I have bullets right there. So I can let the students add in as many bullet points as they need to after they click in there. And this can be done more easily in OneNote. Unfortunately, I don't think that you can copy just the one column easily. I think if I can do this, I could probably do that, and then, yeah, no, but it still doesn't give me that. So just kidding. I would just click in the little bullets for the kids if you want them. If not, it's not a big deal. The kids can do it themselves. In fact, I think if I just do a dash and space, excuse me, it gives it to them as well. So if I can hand these out to students using the distribute function, so I can go up here to class notebook, distribute page, and then I can distribute into everyone's, from this case, Unit 0 folder, so that way they have it in each of those folders. Now if I were a student and I was doing this, I would come back here and I'd say like 9-8 and 9-10. Well, 9-8 is like one cohort, 9-10 was another cohort, but it's when they went home, or they were at home. So this was a Know Your Tech assignment. So say for example, let me make sure I find the right one. Yeah, I might say like this is like 9-8 is maybe, I was the cohort that did it on 9-8. This might be Know Your Tech. Major concepts are, so here, let's see, learn how to use the whiteboard, or maybe You can even X this part out, make this its own little thing if I need to, or heading if I need to. So whiteboard, copy a link, create a new page, etc. What I'm most confident about, maybe using the whiteboard. What I'm still confused about, copying a, or snipping tool. And I always ask students to be as specific as possible right here. Now, to create the link, what I do is I have the students come back to back to essentially the whole screen here that has everything listed, and I have them right-click, copy link to this page, then come back here to table of contents. I highlight the Know Your Tech, right-click, link, Control V, insert. So when I click on this, it brings me back to the Know Your Tech assignment. To come back to this, I just come back over here, and I just make sure that I will continue filling in the rest of the pages for the students that need help. So hopefully that was helpful. Let me know if you need anything else. Take care.